good to read in. I know that we haven't really gotten into the routine yet, but I feel like this video would not be complete if I did not show my outfit. My top is from a brand called kinbor, and my pants are thrifted. They're from Paige. I think it's so cool because like my real name starts with a P and the button has like a little P on it. And yeah, it's super cool. And then my cardigan is from H&M. I don't know how I survived in this cardigan because it was so freaking cold today, and I think I really need to get more hoodies because I have like literally none and I'm freezing right now. I'm going to get something to eat and then we'll see what I do after that. Hi guys! So my skincare routine has changed quite a bit since we've seen each other last time. At least I think it's a pretty big change because I totally like switched, or I added one product and I switched one product too. I'm just gonna be going over what I use now. So because it's winter time and my skin is so dry, sometimes regular lotion just isn't doing it for me anymore. So I've started to add a serum into my routine. This is the Tereden Dive-In Serum. I actually found this at Costco and it's so surprising because like I didn't know they sold Korean skincare. I do like one, whatever this is called, I do like one full amount on my face. I kind of like rub it in. I saw someone saying that it's like better to pat it in, but like I don't like spreading it on my hands and then like patting it in. So I just rub it in and then like I pat at the end. Next, I go in with this. I just got this. It's the Astera Auto Barrier 365 Cream. So when I ordered this, I actually got the reformulation and I was worried because I thought that it would be like super crappy compared to like the old formula. I've never tried the old formula, but this new formula isn't bad at all. But also, I'm not that picky with my moisturizers. I don't really get my pores clogged very often. I just need something that's very moisturizing. My skin definitely feels more hydrated, so I'm loving these products so far.